DIY vloggers. So today, this is my background for the rest of my videos. Until like a video comes where I have to leave this background, get a new house, something like that. But today I'm just going to be reviewing my slime for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how it presses. If you guys don't know what press means, I'm about to show you right now. People might knock on the door because in the bathroom, but it's not the only bathroom, so hopefully they don't. But yeah, so slime presses is folks very good, but it's white slime, very scratchy. But back to slime pressing. Slime pressing is like when you get this tool or a tennis racket. Let me show you guys. Get this tool or a tennis racket. Press it down on the slime. That's why it's called slime pressing, because you got to press it down. Get it? Yeah. Okay, so you guys gotta press the little bubbles. Little thingies, the little slime together. Okay, so then you want to just make sure the out slime is doing that. And then I'm pulling it up, so. I'm just going to show you guys one of the ways because that's slime pressing. This is a kitchen tool, so you can basically buy this at any local store like Walmart, or like a dollar store if you guys go to dollar stores. But I got mine from Walmart, and yeah. So guys, that was slime pressing. It does pretty good on slime pressing, and you can let you guys see the slime actually. So it does pretty good on slime pressing. Huh? What you gotta do?
Open this door right here.
Okay, so when I poked it, I did that. The bubbles are pretty good. The popping noises are great. That's pretty good. Guys, the reason why I'm like so scratchy is because I added a whole bunch of lotion. So it's just not the glue and the activator that I added. I added more things like lotion, soap, shampoo, nail polish remover. That makes it like scratchy but stiff. So I would never add no more nail polish remover. Look guys, even when you poke it, look, it still makes pop noises. That's how good the slime is. You don't even have to make anything to make the popping noises happen with this slime. Right, look at this. Just regular slime, just balled up and stuff. It's still making great popping noises. So guys, this is my slime, and hope you guys liked it. Have a great day, Kid Wildlife Bloggers. Bye-bye. And